Where did farming begin? Have you ever wondered where the journey of farming truly started? The answer takes us back to a remarkable region known as the Fertile Crescent. This area, located in the Near East, is often regarded as the cradle of agriculture. Farming began here around 9,000 to 10,000 years before the Common Era. This region includes parts of what we now call Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, and southeastern Turkey. In this fertile land, early humans made a significant shift from being hunter-gatherers to adopting agriculture and animal husbandry. This marked the beginning of the Neolithic period, a time of profound change in human society. Early farming communities began to domesticate plants such as emmer wheat and barley, along with animals like sheep and goats. These domesticated species provided a more stable food supply, allowing people to settle in one place and from villages. Archaeological sites like Tell Aswad and Jericho give us a glimpse into this early farming life. Evidence shows that domesticated crops were being cultivated as far back as 10,800 to 9,800 years ago. However, this transition to farming was gradual. Before fully embracing agriculture, some groups practiced advanced plant processing and small-scale cultivation during the Epipaleolithic period. One notable site, Ohalu Roman II, reveals early attempts at plant cultivation, suggesting that the techniques of farming developed over thousands of years. Once farming took root in the Near East, it began to spread into Europe. This migration occurred through two main routes, northward along the Danube River and westward along the Mediterranean coast. As farming populations moved, they interacted with local hunter-gatherers, leading to a blend of genetic and cultural influences. The shift from a Mesolithic lifestyle, based on hunting and gathering, to a Neolithic one focused on farming also brought about changes in diet. Early farmers started consuming softer, cultivated foods. This shift influenced physical changes in human populations, including differences in jaw and tooth structure compared to their foraging ancestors. In regions farther from the Near East, like Northern and Eastern Europe, the adoption of farming was a slower process. Many communities continued to mix hunting, gathering, and farming practices for extended periods. To develop effective early farming techniques, innovations were necessary. These included seed selection, soil management, and animal domestication. These advancements allowed humans to produce food surpluses, which supported larger populations and more complex societies. So, farming began in the Fertile Crescent of the Near East around 9,000 to 10,000 years before the Common Era. The domestication of plants and animals marked a significant change in human lifestyle, transitioning from mobile hunting and gathering to settled food production. This transformation gradually spread into Europe and other regions, reshaping human societies and diets along the way.